Hey, who's the gun girl? Welcome back. Practice Faroese with Evervone. Yay! In this video, we going to practice what Evervone? Förrejårstal. Förrejårsnummer. Faroese number. Yay! Whoopee! Here we go! Let's start practice Faroese numbers with Evervone. Yeah? There you go. Null. Oid. Twee. Trui. Fyra. Fem. Sex. I know the spelling of the letter 6 is kind of intrigue for probably Indonesian. Yeah, it says sex, but mean 6.
No, it's the same thing.
Huh? Sex also sex. Sex means sex, and also sex. So are you talking about number 6? Or sex, the action? Yeah, okay. Sex is a very intriguing. Say Papi said sex can be, sex or number. Sex. Oh, disturbing a bit. Anyway, continue. Shay. Octa. You say octa or otta? Otta. Huh? Octa with a K. Octa. Nuche. Tuche. Elve. 12. Trettan. 14. 15. 16. And Satan. Okay, what's next, Evervone? Oh, 18. Nuchan. 2. The next number is 21, and just like the Danish and the German and the Dutch, the number is constructed differently, not like the English saying 21. But yeah, it's different. So because of the influence from the Danish, they say the unit first, then the 10. So oin or chua. So 1 first and then the 20. 120 or oin or chua. This is quite tricky for English speakers, Indonesian speakers. This is quite hard to memorize. It's quite tricky because we're so used to say 21 instead of 1 and 20. Okay, next number is 30. 30. Everyone choking. 30. Can you say it? 30. Not yet, Mama. 40. 40. And then, oh, big number, big number. Oh, now this is the most difficult number that I found so hard to remember. So the numbers above 50-ish, I found it very, very tricky because it's sort of like not usual. It's unusual. Just like the French, and then of course the Danish do this too. Like the 50, it's called half truce, which is half mean half. Truce is actually sort of like half of tree. Sounds like tree, huh? So half truce, which just actually mean half to tree, which is 2.5. And then there's this what is it? There's this invincible 20. Like the French also do that. The French say like 20. 20 is actually 30. And then, or 80, which is 4 times 20 plus 10 is 90. So it kind of give you a little bit of math here. So the rest of like 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90 is they have a little bit of math of multiplication of 20. So 2.5 times 20, 3 times 20, 2.5 times 20, 4 times 20. Everyone, you're biting me. And 4.5 times 20. So half truth, which means 2.5 times 20 is 50. And then truth, 3 times 20 is 60. And then half years, half to 4, which is 3.5 times 20 is 70. First, which is 4 times 20, becomes 80. And then half them is half to 5, which is 4.5 times 20. It's 90. Then 100. The rest is easy. So the big number is 1000. And then this one is 1100. So 1100, 1200. So the same 1200 and so on. And then 100,000 is 100,000. And then 1 million or 1 million. And then this one is 1993. It's 1993. And then 2020. What is it? 2020, Boccia?
2020.
Yay! Boccia can know number now. 2020. 2020. Yes, that's it. That's various numbers. So that's it. Thank you for watching, everybody. See you soon, guys. Hi. Hi. Say hi, 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 hi. Hi, hi. Bye, bye. Sujas.